We're here at Te Waihoretu Station, which is in the midtown of Auckland, one of the CRL stations. Throughout the project, I've been the lead for the mechanical services, which are what we use to keep the building ventilated, heated and cooled, and then latterly across the fire safety systems, hydraulics, which is our plumbing and drainage, and the vertical transportation, which is lifts and escalators like we have around us here. I've been working for WSP for about 15 years, and in that time I've been able to work on a wide variety of really interesting and big projects. Challenging stuff, interesting stuff, but it's always different. I work with a team of subject matter experts who are like the top of their game. Just being able to work with guys of that caliber is fantastic, but also supporting one another if one of us can't be present on a site, we back each other up, and that's really good. One of the things that I really enjoyed in this project was actually working with our international team. So we've had guys from Australia who we've worked in closely with. One of our tunnel ventilation experts came over from Hong Kong from WSP Asia, and it was fantastic to have that international expertise, best practice from other parts of the world coming across to help us over here with developing our first one of these. I chose to work for WSP because I really like the work sectors that we're involved in. I believe in building better things for our community. So for me, the community value of a project is one of the things I'm most excited by, and WSP does a fantastic job of getting involved in that sort of work. I've also been really privileged to be able to help out some of the other communities around New Zealand with my skills. And one thing I will say about working on one in my hometown is I'm really looking forward to being able to bring my kids on this railway when it's finished. Having worked project-wide, I do have like a view on all the stations, and there's little bits of all of them. They're going to get so sick of hearing me talk about it, I tell you. For a young engineer who's just starting out today, one of the most important things, or one of the most valuable things I think you can learn is design empathy and understanding what other people are trying to get out of the project. So when you understand that the structural team have these beams they need to work through the station, that the architectural team has a finish that's got to look just right, you work together, you get a much better outcome.